Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you looking for a beautiful, modern fan with lots of great features but has a classic look? This one from FUJIBONNY is a beautiful, classic looking fan that has so many modern features. So for one thing, this is a low profile fan. It has these beautiful wooden blades that feel luxurious to the touch, and they look luxurious as well. My favorite feature about the fan is that it is whisper quiet. Check out the touchscreen controls where you can control everything. The touchscreen is intuitive and modern, and it lets you control everything right from here. It has 3 different light settings that you can dim down to 10%. So if you need a night light when you sleep, this is perfect. The fan also has a second remote. So if you have a large room, you can have one remote on one wall and one at the other end, making access to changing the settings so easy. The fan is also wet rated, so you could put this on a nice covered patio, or you could put it even in your bathroom. It's truly an upgrade that we were looking for. The fan itself was easy to install. It came with really good instructions, and as I mentioned, it's low profile. Everything we needed was right in the box. It truly is such a nice upgrade for this space, and I love the quietness of it. It runs beautifully, and it provides great lighting as well. And that's just my point of view.